Woo! Alright, I just got off work here, but I still got more work to do. We have to clean up this MJ because we just got a title for it. So now we can go ahead and prep her, clean her up, and get her ready to sell. Super clean though, was super nice, and sent me out some cleaning products. We're gonna go test them out, just see how well they work. Super cool of them. Thanks for sponsoring that, Super Clean. And yeah. Alright, we got it all pressure washed off, so now let's go ahead and use some of the Super Clean's products on the engine compartment and some of the underneaths, just so we make sure we get some of that grease off and make it all clean. So right here, we have a very oily and greasy spot. So I know the engine's not terrible, so you probably won't get the best test for it. So we're gonna try it out on this greasy spot right here. So now let's go ahead and spray some of this on there. And not be shy about it, really. And just kind of see what it'll do. And it's already kind of draining down, so you know it's doing something. But let's try and get it on there, let it soak for a second. So now that we let it soak for a few seconds, let's go ahead and try and get some of it off. So it's getting it a fair amount. So it's already cutting at it. It's just so thick, you almost have to like rub it off, like with a little sander or something. But it is coming off. So look at this, some of this spot stuff right here. So it does definitely cut the grease, which is pretty cool. And then you can always like rinse it off with some water afterwards. But if you look at it, it does seem to be cutting it. Not bad. We also have a wheel cleaner, which we can then try on the wheels. Which is this one right here, as you guys can see. It's Super Clean for all the wheel cleaner, which is interesting. And if you look at it, it's actually foamy, this one. So it's a totally different consistency. So more of like a soap feel, I guess. Which is cool. So it kind of lifts the dirt off. There we go. So I actually brought out some of the shine here. So if you look at it, got it down, made it shiny. Shiny as this wheel's ever gonna get. So yeah, not bad on that wheel. But also, if you want to try to go ahead and do it on my other wheel here on my Jeep, my other Jeep, just because it's a little more dusty and grimy, we'll get it nice and lathered up. Boom. I don't know how much you have to use, but we're just gonna remove everything dirt-wise on here. We're gonna make it look good. Boom. See that? Big difference. If you look at that, nice and clean in there compared to another wheel right over here. Yeah. So, yeah, back to the MJ. All right, so the engine bay is pretty clean in here. Not bad. Looking pretty good. Anyways, now got the outside all cleaned up. The inside's pretty clean because I've already cleaned that before. Just a quick wipe down on the windows and we'll be done. There we go, nice and cleaned and prepped. So we just look her over. We could do a few more things later. I'll just do that random touch-ups. Just a whole bunch of little stuff. But other than that, I just want to thank Super Clean for getting some nice products to us. It actually worked really well on the wheels as well as the body here. It actually kind of cut the grease because there's some dirt buildup on it. So that was cool. So yeah, just a little bit more stuff, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures of it later with the perfect lighting. As you guys know, you gotta have that perfect lighting. So yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures, put them on Instagram. So if you guys wanna see it, follow me on Instagram right here. You'll be able to see some pictures of it. They're gonna be pretty cool, as long as other pictures of you know. Sylvester, oh yeah. So if you guys wanna do that, follow me right there. And then yeah, we're gonna get this thing all prepped, maybe sell it, and put some money into Lassie. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Woo!